Hello everyone, welcome to another day of April Lead Code Challenge. And today's question is again a design question, and the question says we need to flatten nested list iterator. In this question, we are given a list within a list, and we need to flatten the complete list, and we need to expose two methods: next, which returns the next element in the list, and has next, which tells whether there is an element in the list or not. So let's understand it by an example. We have this as a nested list, and let's assume that next is called for the first time, we'll return 1. Then when next is called for the second time, we'll return 1 again, then 2, followed by 1 and 1. And this is the output for the complete next iterations. And whenever has next is invoked, we appropriately tell whether there are elements in the list or not, and return true or false correspondingly. So let's go through the presentation that I have created for this. It's a simple question, not a very hard question. Flatten nested list iterator, LeetCode 341. And there was an interface given in the definition of the question, that of nested integers. So the input list that is given is of format nested integer, and it suppose these three methods is integer, which tells us whether the current element is a list or not, whether it's an integer or not. So if it's an integer, it will return true. If it happens to be of type list, it will return false. The second part is get that integer. If that element happens to be an integer, we'll return the integer value. Otherwise, we have another method, get list. If the current element of nested integer type is of list type, then we can operate on get list method and get the complete list. So nested integer has two variations, one integer type and other would be of type list. And let's move on to the question. The question asks us to create three methods: the constructor, the integer next int, and boolean has next. So this returns the next integer in queue, and this returns whether there are elements in the list or not. So let's reduce the problem statement to a simpler subproblem. Hypothetically assume we are given the input list in this format 1, 4, 6, 9 and 3, which is already flattened. We can have an iterator on this list. This iterator is provided by the Java library, and it has two methods in it. One is has next, which tells whether there are more elements in the list or not, and the other one next itself, which returns the next element in the list. So these are the core methods that are provided by the Java library. If we have the list in the flattened format, we can reutilize those methods. Therefore, the problem reduces to flattening this input list into a list of integers so that we have all the elements in the flattened format. So let's iterate over the input list that is given to us, that is of type nested integer, and it supports three methods: is integer, get list, get integer. So we already discussed about these three methods in the previous slides. The first thing that we are going to do is to check the data structure of the current element by invoking is integer method. It says that is of type integer, so it will return true, and we will add 1 to our output list. We'll move on to the next iteration, and this time we have the data structure as a list instead of integer. Is integer returns false in this case, and what we are going to do, we'll recursively invoke the same method, the flattening method, onto this element. So now we have elements as if 4 comma bracket 6 comma 9. So by virtue of recursion, we will fill in this list first, and the first element is 4. We are going to do the same thing. Is integer check, it says true, we'll add 4 to this, and we'll move on to the next element. It is of data type is of list. We'll recursively invoke onto its elements, and we have 4 comma 9 in this. The first element is 6, it's of type integer. We'll add it to the output list, and then we have 9, and we'll add it to the output list. So this is completed, and this gets completed. We'll move on to the next element in the iteration. We have 3. 3 is of type integer, and we'll add it into the list, output list. So our flattened list is successfully built, and we will use the iterator for writing our two methods. If we have some misclarity, everything will be cleared in the coding part. Moving on to the coding part. The first thing that I'm going to do is to define two private variables. One for storing the intermediary flattened list, or f list, and let's initialize it to null, and the other one as the iterator, and the generic type would be integer, and let's call it it. And the first thing that I'm going to do in the constructor is to allocate memory to it, and let's invoke flattening helper method that will flatten the nested list and add elements into our f list. So let's write the helper method first. The first parameter is nested list. The second parameter is of type list. So actually I don't need to pass it, it's a global variable, it can be accessed. Let's forget this, and let's write a for loop over nested integer generic type, and let's call it current element. If current element is integer, so that's the helper method already present in nested integer interface that is given in the question. If this happens to be integer, I'll simply add the current element into f list. F list dot add current element dot get integer. Otherwise, the current element is of type list. I'll recursively invoke flattening operation function on f list dot get list, because this happens to be of type list. I think we are done with the helper method, and let's initialize the iterator. So it becomes equal to f list dot iterator. So that is the inbuilt method of Java, and when we have to return the next element, we will simply return. We will check whether there are more elements in the list or not. It dot has next. If it returns true, then we will return it dot next. Otherwise, we will return null. And in the has next operation, we will simply return it dot has next. So that is also handled by Java. I think this should work. Oh, this should be current list, current element. Looks good, and let me just submit it. Accepted. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.